Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Sitaro Ka Safar. As we approach the solar eclipse on 2nd October, many of you may be wondering what this cosmic event means for you. This solar eclipse is happening in the sign of Virgo, and its effects will be felt strongly across various zodiac signs. Eclipses are known for bringing deep transformations and unexpected shifts, whether it's in our personal lives, relationships, or even our inner world. In today's video, we're going to explore how this powerful eclipse will influence different signs and what you can do to navigate its energy with clarity and grace. This solar eclipse in Virgo at 15 degrees in Hasta Nakshatra brings a powerful shift that will affect several zodiac signs in unique ways. The planetary alignment during this eclipse, especially with key placements like the Sun, Mercury, Ketu, and Moon in Virgo, will amplify the impact of this celestial event. It's a time of deep reflection, realignment, and transformative change. The eclipse won't just be an event of the day, its effects will echo throughout the month. Let's take a look at how the solar eclipse will influence those who are most likely to feel its energy. For Virgo, this eclipse is hitting home quite literally, as it occurs in your first house of self. The Sun, Moon, Mercury, and Ketu all align in Virgo, pushing you into a deep phase of self-reflection and transformation. You may feel as though you're at a crossroads with who you are or how you present yourself to the world. Expect moments of self-doubt, but understand that this is a crucial time to redefine your identity. Let go of outdated ways of thinking or habits that no longer serve you. Your health might be sensitive, especially related to stress or digestive issues. Take care of your mental and physical well-being by maintaining balance. Rest is essential right now. I have some advices for you. Focus on personal growth, but be kind to yourself. You're in the process of shedding old skins to embrace something new, so don't rush the journey. For Pisces, this solar eclipse will deeply influence your 7th house of relationships and partnerships. Ketu's presence here indicates that certain relationships or partnerships may undergo significant shifts. You may feel a sense of detachment or disillusionment in your closest relationships. This is not necessarily a bad thing. It's a time to reassess who you're aligning with. Some partnerships may fade away while others will transform and strengthen. With Mercury involved, misunderstandings could arise, especially with your spouse or business partners. Stay clear in your communication and avoid making any major relationship decisions during this eclipse. I have some advices for you. Take a step back and allow space for clarity to emerge. Don't force decisions. Instead, focus on reflection and mutual understanding. For Gemini, the eclipse touches your 4th house, which governs your home, family life, and emotional foundation. This is a period to focus on your inner world and how you create stability in your life. You may find that issues within the family, especially related to your home or living situation, come to the forefront. This eclipse might bring to light matters you've been ignoring, requiring you to address them with patience and empathy. You could feel emotionally unsettled with old memories or unresolved feelings bubbling up. This is a time to seek inner peace through reflection and self-care. I have some advices for you. Focus on nurturing your home and family, but don't shy away from addressing deeper emotional issues. Healing starts within. For Taurus, this eclipse falls in your 5th house of creativity, romance, and children. It's time to reevaluate your passions and what truly brings you joy. You may feel a temporary creative block or lack of inspiration, but this is only because the eclipse is encouraging you to go deeper. Reflect on what truly excites you and where your creativity needs realignment. Romance could face challenges. There might be a disconnect or emotional distance with your partner. It is important to not overreact, but to instead use this time to understand the deeper layers of your relationship. I have some advices for you. Trust that any creative or romantic hurdles are temporary. Use this time to reconnect with your inner child and give yourself space to explore your true passions. For Libra, the solar eclipse activates your 12th house, which rules over the subconscious, secrets, and spiritual matters. This can be an intense period of self-reflection and even solitude. You may feel the need to retreat from the outside world to better understand your inner workings. This is a powerful time for spiritual growth, meditation, and uncovering hidden truths about yourself. Certain cycles in your life may come to a close during this eclipse, whether it's a mindset, a relationship, or an old habit. Something is coming to an end so that a new chapter can begin. I have some advices for you. Embrace this period of solitude. This eclipse is here to help you release what no longer serves you, but it's crucial to allow yourself time to rest and introspection. For Aquarius, the solar eclipse in Virgo is activating your 8th house, which governs transformation, shared resources, and deep emotional issues. You're likely to experience a significant emotional or financial transformation. This may involve joint finances, inheritances, or even debt. While these shifts can feel uncomfortable, they're pushing you towards long term growth. The eclipse might bring to light secrets or hidden aspects of your life that you've been avoiding. Face these truths with courage, as this is a necessary step towards personal evolution. Here is a piece of advice for you as well. This is a time for deep emotional work and letting go of control. Trust the process of transformation even if it feels intense. Some general advices for all of the zodiac signs during the solar eclipse. Avoid major decisions. During the eclipse, clarity can be clouded, so it is wise to avoid making any life-changing decisions. Rest and reflect. This period is excellent for introspection. Use it to reevaluate your priorities and let go of what no longer serves you. Health-wise, since Virgo rules over health and wellness, pay attention to your physical and mental well-being. Ground yourself with nourishing food, rest, and mindfulness. Spiritual practices. Eclipses are a powerful time for spiritual growth. Meditation, journaling, and other reflective practices can help you navigate this intense energy. And with that, we've covered the impact of this solar eclipse on each zodiac sign. Remember, eclipses are not just about endings, they're also about new beginnings. While this time may feel intense, it is an opportunity to reset, realign, and let go of what no longer serves you. Take this period as a chance to slow down, reflect, and focus on your inner growth. As always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Sitaro Ka Safar for more astrological insights. I would love to hear how you're feeling about this eclipse. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay connected with the stars and take care of yourself.